Hello, myself Seema Gondharikar. I am going to tell you how to implement expression tree and evaluate it using C and C++. Okay. Now for that, what is the input? Input is a postfix expression. Now here we'll consider a postfix expression like this. Suppose A, B star C plus. Suppose we expect what is the input as a postfix expression. Now why we need expression tree? That when we are writing any program and we are giving some expression in that program, what compiler does, compiler converts that expression into postfix and it constructs a tree for that expression and it checks syntax, means it passes it for that and it evaluates using that tree itself. So what compiler does, that we are simulating over here, how compiler will convert that into tree. So that is input as postfix expression. Now in previous we have to learn before that prerequisite for it, how to convert infix to postfix expression using stack. But we are considering that we have already learned converting input as a postfix expression, that is input as infix and we are going to convert it to postfix. So what is the input for this? Directly we are taking input as postfix expression. Now postfix expression here we are taking as a string and we are scanning each and every character. What we are doing, we are creating a node for each character and there are two types of character. One is operand and one is operator. Okay, so if it is operand, we are pushing inside stack, and if it is an operator, we are popping two values from stack, which is at the top we are attaching to right, which is at the next one is we are attaching to left, and we are pushing that operator again inside stack. Okay, and we are repeating this till end of the string, and at the end of the string, whatever stack top is our root. Okay, and then we are evaluating that using that tree itself. Okay, now here we are considering this as a string. Now how it will be executed, that we'll see afterwards, but we'll write down algorithm first. Okay, so what is the algorithm? That first one, first step is scan a postfix expression as a string. Okay, then second step is what? We have to scan each character from string, that postfix expression, and we have to put into character. So suppose we are taking while not end of string, that is while postfix of I not equals to backslash 0. We are repeating. Okay, here we are considering I is equals to 0. Okay, then we are saying while postfix of I not equal to 0, means not end of string. Okay, what we are doing? We are scanning each character. Scan, that is character is equal to postfix of I. Okay, that is scan each character. Okay, and put into CH. Okay, and then prepare a node for this character. So suppose I say current is equal to new node. Okay, or I'll just write down algorithm prepare node current for character ch. Okay, prepare a node for character ch. Now this character may be operand or may be operator. So if this ch is operand, then what you have to do? Operand means if it is less than greater than or equal to A and less than or equal to Z, then what you have to say? You have to push current, that is node, inside stack. Okay? Then we have to push inside stack. Else, means if it is an operator, already we have prepared current, we have to pop two values. So what I say? Temp1 is equal to pop from S. Pop one value. Then temp2 is equal to pop. Okay. Then what you have to do? You have to attach it to current. So current pointer left is equal to temp2. Okay. Then current pointer right is equal to temp1. So what you have to say? Right ko first one which is pop we have to attach, and the next which is pop attached to it to left, and then push this current inside stack. Push current. Okay. And you have to repeat this end of the string. Now the third step, if there is an end of a string, we have got end of the string, then we have to say root is equal to pop, or root will be the node. Root is the node which is at the top. Which is at the top. Okay. So this is simple algorithm, scan postfix expression, initialize with I0, and you have to repeat it. And here I should say I plus plus in between this. Okay. So this is fourth step. Sorry, inside this while loop. And you have to repeat this. I is equal to I plus 1 karna hai each time. Okay. Then you have to scan one character, put as a character. Now this prepare a node. Node current for character CH. If CH is operand, push current inside stack. Else you have to pop two values. The first pop value should be attached to right, left, and next value you have to attach it to right. Okay. So temp1 we have to attach it to this right, and this should be, sorry, temp1 will be attached to left, and this should be attached to right. Okay. So it's like this. So now we will try this expression tree constructing. So we required a stack. Now how this will be executed? Okay. Now firstly we'll take first character A. A we will push inside stack. A is a node. Okay. We'll push inside stack. Okay. Next is B. B is an operand. So we push again B inside stack. Okay. Next what we should do? We should take star. Okay. So star we have to prepare a node for star. Okay. Now this is a node. Now whatever we have to pop first, we should attach it to right. So B should be attached to right. And A should be attached to left. So we have to pop 2. Okay. So we have to remove from this. We have to pop 2 values. Okay. Now after attaching this, again we have to push that current inside stack. Means star we have to push inside stack. So I have pushed pop A and B will be attached to this. Okay. Now next is what? We have to take next character, that is C. C is the operand. So C should be pushed inside stack. So C is pushed inside stack. Okay. Now next is what? Plus. So what you have to say? You have to say plus. You have to prepare a node for plus. Okay. You have to pop two values. Now first C we have to pop and we have to attach it to right. Okay. C is having null over here. We have popped it. And next we have popped this star. Star is having A plus B attached over here. And we have to attach it to left. So left of plus will be star. Star is having at left A and at right B. And again we push this plus inside stack. So plus is pushed inside stack. Okay. Now plus is having at the left star and at the right C. Okay. Now over here and at the end here the end of the string appears. Now when there is the end of the string, what it should do? Root will be pop. So whatever at stack top, that is plus, is our root. So this is our root and this is our tree. Okay. Now how this evaluation will be done again? So we are having tree with us. Okay. So how to evaluate? If again it is an operator, we have to push inside stack, then this push inside stack. Then if there is an operand, then take those values and then we have to traverse this into postfix traversal and then we have to evaluate. We'll see afterwards how to evaluate it. Okay, so we'll stop over here and then we'll now convert this into C++ code. Okay, so we'll stop here and we'll convert into C++ code.